Hello and welcome to Glittershinenails. Following on from my recent Dixie plate swatch review video, in this video I'll be sharing with you the next plate that I purchased from Nail Stamping Queen UK. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Dixie Plates Lines 01. As always, you can find information on where to purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and please make sure you have the bell notification on, and please also like this video. These things really do help out my channel. Thank you. So I have my usual stamper and scraper. From Lines 01 I'll be taking 5 swatches. For the first swatch I'll be using an orange nail tip along with a red stamping polish. Now I will remove any excess from the stamper that I've picked up using my lint roller. This is just my preferred way of working, there are others. But this is a beautiful image and I've managed to get it really straight, and I'll explain how I did that in the next swatch. For the next swatch I'll be using a blue nail tip along with a white stamping polish. Now I found a way of making stamping lines more straighter than normal. When I've stamped down, I'll very slightly move the stamper with the image to make it straight. It is very gentle movement. But I did this quite a bit for this plate, as I am well known for my wonky lines, and it worked brilliantly. I've not tried this with larger images yet, but it works a treat and this image looks great. For the next swatch I'll be using a lilac nail tip along with a dark purple stamping polish. Now with these smaller images I'm going to do the same swatch twice, but I'll place the arrows the other way round. I did this sort of for the mani I've created. These images are very small and very thin lines, so I had to be extra careful when using them. I did find that a couple of times I had to redo the image just because they didn't transfer as well. But this is a really nice design though. For the next swatch I'll be using a white nail tip along with a pink metallic stamping polish. With these lines I found to get the most from them was to go diagonally or straight down, but they can be placed down in so many different directions and they really do add something different to a mani. This image reminds me of noughts and crosses. I don't know why. It also really stands out on the plate as well, so I think it's going to be an image I use very soon. For the next swatch I'll be using a light blue nail tip with a dark blue stamping polish. For this swatch I'll be adding a long line of polish to get as much of this image as possible. Once I've removed everything I will then stamp with one end and stamp that diagonally over the bottom of the nail. I'll then use what's left to apply that to the top half of the nail. I did this quite a bit for the mani I created. It's a great way to use these really long images. Another thing you could do is maybe add some crystals or some glitter in that nice big gap in the middle, but a beautiful way to use them. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I've created from Dixie Plates Lines 01. Dixie Plates Lines 01 is full of amazing line designs. There is 6 really small images which I've added 2 to a pop stick. Then there is 13 medium length designs along with 15 really long line designs. Line images like these can really add something different to a mani and work really well in any direction when stamped. And as you'll see from these swatches, any colour combination works really well. I have plates which have images like these, but nothing that's completely the whole plate. So I'm excited to see what else I can create, as I'm a little bit iffy about my mani. But also this plate says 01, so I'm hoping for an 02 as well. I do wonder if Lines 01 will work with the new Shape Up stamping plate that Dixie Plates have just recently released. I will be bringing that plate to my channel very soon. I've only placed the medium and long line designs coming down the middle of the pop stick, but with these images anything is possible. You could use the images to create a full mani like what I've done, or just use 1 or 2 in a mani which would complement the line designs. One thing I did find for me, the plate was really engraved, and I've come to expect that from Dixie Plates. It means you're getting a super high quality stamping plate, and from these swatches it really shows. When I was looking at these swatches, I got so much inspiration, my mind just couldn't cope. So I need to work out some designs, as there's quite a few images that just really call to me. So for the mani, I used a new gel polish that I've recently swatched, and I have to be honest, I'm quite disappointed. For me, this colour looks amazing matte, but for some reason it's made the images look slightly blurry. I don't understand why. I really should have left it glossy instead, as it didn't happen then. Now, I don't often do manis using a few colours, but this is definitely a nice spring or summer mani. I'm also trying out a new hand position as well, and I have to be honest, I'm not sure. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Dixie Plates Lines 01. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.